welcome to my channel. My name's Kayla. Today I'm doing a hair tutorial on how to get this look that I found off of Pinterest. This was the look that I was inspired by, and it was by featured artist Jasmine Heckenberg. That's the look I'm doing today. Hope you guys enjoy, and let's get to it. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you guys had a easy time following how to do this hairstyle. It's pretty difficult to do on yourself, so maybe try doing it on someone else first and experimenting with that. So hopefully you enjoyed, and I hope you like and subscribe, and look out for my video on how to do this makeup look with this hairstyle.